Alright, so people them a bust them brain. Why we have an increase in so much autism or autistic children. Since as it's so hard, me go come and just make it easy for you know. Number one, we have more traumatic homes more than ever. What me mean? Homes were full of trauma. The mother of trauma, the father of trauma. And adults think they enough work on themselves. A children are always a problem. Two, the vaccine them, remember that they are increasing. The babies them take the vaccine at an earlier stage of their life right now, which is more damaging to them. If in plain sight. Three, now you go talk about food. Remember say one time days, what parent cook, pitney eat. Now, at the pitney them a run yard and parent a run roundy. Me see parent have pitney in a supermarket a pull trolley. What you want? Pear snacky pitney pick up. Pear gummies and wormy. What them there? Zero nutrition. One time pitney buy piece of coconut, pick up plum out a yard, pick up apples, all of them spoil, pick up mangoes in a yard. Come on. This is no rocket science. You don't know where they come from. It come from parent taking off them pitney off breast milk too soon of the pitney and nursery. You know want more answer? Oh, and the final one. Me want to understand that look, neglect cause autism. Children are being then can't bother, parent can't bother with pitney anymore, so they stuff them face with one tablet. So this child depend on a tablet. Not sure at an early stage. Parent don't know about parenting anymore. Parent they talk to their children with baby language. How would the child move from baby language to human language or adult language if you not talk to your child using normal language? Yeah man, so the development of a child brain, no food no there for them. If you go to school or rice, if you go to church or rice, if you go to a function or rice, what is in rice? Dead starch, you just dry out your blood. Nothing did if it develop children brain anymore. Yeah man, no cocoa tea nah make from chocolate. No bush tea nah make a pea tea bag. Milo, we a parched flour with brown in the Chinese them a use. The baby formula, me fi forget, they have changed ingredients. You think it's not orchestrated? Me know someone not ready for it, man. You no go blame everybody and everything in our world. The more the man pa, they are yard a fight, that too can cause autism. The mother and father splitting, yes. The child take on everything that the adult is trying to work on. You think a joke? Look around you. To be continued. If you no really want more, we I cause. Yeah man, I know nobody else.